Downloading data from Expedia can be useful for various purposes, such as analyzing travel trends or managing bookings. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Create an Expedia account. If you don't already have an account, visit the Expedia website and sign up. Provide the necessary information, including your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. This will give you access to your bookings and any data associated with your account. Step 3. Navigate to your bookings. After logging in, go to the My Trips or My Bookings section of the website. Here, you'll find a list of all your past and upcoming reservations. Step 4. Select the data you want to download. Choose the specific booking or data you wish to download. Look for options like download itinerary or export data if available. Click on the appropriate link to proceed. Step 5. Save the file. Once you initiate the download, your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location on your device where you want to store the data and click Save. By following these steps, you can easily download the data you need from Expedia. If you have any issues, consider checking the help section on their website for further assistance.